first step we need to learn is how to complete the daisy, a yellow centre with white edge pieces forming 4 petals. Don't worry if you have a white corner, we're not worried about that for now, but what we do want is a yellow centre with 4 white petals. Let's get going.
Mess it up. Position, yellow centre on top. Sides to move, face, right, left, and top.
Remember, if you only move these sides, you won't get confused and have to start again.
But starting again isn't the end of the world. You've got this.
Look at the cube and find a white petal. You may start with one already in position. Great, leave it there. If it's not, here's one. The simplest move is this one, right up to make a petal. If we can get it on the left or the right side, we know we are only one move away. If the white petal we want is not on the left or the right side, we just need to turn the face. If it's here, we just need to turn the face to get it to where we want it. If it's on the bottom row, we just need to turn the face to get it to where we want it. If the white side is underneath,
so we just need to turn the face to get it where we want it.
Now, this is very important. Ready?
always respect the law.
Neil, law is spelled L-A-W.
Yeah, but for our purposes, law means line of rotation. The line of rotation is when we are moving one turn, but it could move a piece out of the correct position and undo our good work. For example, if we have a petal in place and we want to move the next one in, it could knock out the one that's already in place. This is where we respect the law and we turn the top side round so there is a free space. You see?
Oh, now I get it. Law.
So we know where we want to get our petals to the left or the right, but we need to respect the law. So you see this one here? We just need to turn the top so we have a space on the top, so when we turn it, it won't affect our cross. We then want to get this into here, so we just turn the top, make a space, and then we're there. Mess it up and do it again. Mess it up and do it again. And then you need to make sure you're comfortable with getting the daisy. And then you can move on. When you're ready, we'll see you for lesson number 2.